Today I'll be discussing about University of Southern California, which is situated in Los Angeles, and this university is leading top private research universities. This was founded in 1880. In 2024, US News ranked university for number 28 for the best national universities in the USA, and it was ranked in top 25 for their undergraduate degrees, and for their business degrees it was ranked in top 8. This is very competitive university, and the acceptance rate is just only 12%, and the teacher and student ratio is 9:1. The courses offered by the universities are undergraduate degrees and research degrees. Some of the schools in this university are in the field of arts, science, engineering, architecture, pharmacy, and business professional courses, and a lot many more. Applying to this university needs a well-drafted application in addition to the good academics of the student. The review process of this university is holistic. They take overall profile of the student into consideration and checks for their personal skills, professional skills, leadership quality of the student, and how this particular student is going to add value to the university. For standardized tests for undergraduate degrees, SAT and ACT are required, and for graduate degrees or for master's degrees, GMAT or GRE are required. For academics, they need all the documents including like mark sheets, supplementary documents, and including SOP and LORs and updated resume. There are a lot many more documents which needs to be submitted to the university. Apart from this, an early application is the key to get into this kind of university. If you're targeting for fall intake for University of Southern California, you should start your application process by October or November. This university provides merit-based scholarship and scholarship. So students have a great opportunity to avail scholarship from this university. All the English language proficiency tests are accepted in this university, like IELTS, PT, TOEFL or Duolingo. So these are few points related to the University of Southern California. There are a lot more points to discuss and to know to avail the scholarships from this university. For expert guidance, call ESS Global Noida by calling us at 62-832-8037. Thank you.